So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Tuesday, 3rd of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we have seen price come down towards this 1238. Didn't quite test that 1236, which is the very strong level that we are looking at from the daily chart. What we have seen is a subsequent break from that 1238 above this 1243.15, is it? 1243.13. So we'll look to see if we do hold that 1243.13 support. If that happens to be the case, we're then looking for a move back up towards this 1251.43. I suppose we should keep an eye on our previous high here in around that 1255, but a move beyond the 1251.43, we're then looking for price head up towards the very next horizontal level of note, a move up towards that 1263.15 here on the XAUUSD. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving beyond the 1263.15 here to the upside on the XAUUSD. If, however, we were to see a subsequent breakdown in prices beyond the, if we were to break back below the 1243 and the 1236, we'll be looking for a move down towards that 1232. Successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards that 1220 before looking for prices to start to head down towards that 1214 here on the XAUUSD. And we've mentioned levels both to the upside and the downside, so we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So over here on the daily chart, and we're just going to have a brief look here to see where we are. So even though the scaling, I suppose this is a great example. So we did mention the importance of that 1236.47. As we can see, that's pretty much the low here where we found support for having this very strong move here to the upside. Again, we came down towards that 1238, so within about $2 above that level, as we can see here. Again, we'll look to see if we can form a bit of a double bottom from a daily chart perspective and see a bit of a recovery to the upside. Failing that, we can pretty much see on the chart that the very next level of note is this low here, and that is pretty much that 1214 I've pointed out earlier. So that's the very next level of significance from a daily chart perspective, is in around that 1214. If we do see a failure in around that 1236. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.